Welcome everybody to another Math Doodles. I'm your host and instructor Erica Guajardo, and today we're going to be creating pizza. P-I-C-C-A. Why pizza, you ask? Well, because it's delicious. Regardless if you're a New York style pizza, Chicago style pizza, or Sicilian style pizza, pizza is one of the most well-known, loved foods around the world. Not to mention that it has become an icon in pop art. I thought it'd be fun this week if we mix it up a little bit, giving you a little bit of illustration and cardboard art fun. So if you're ready to get started, so am I. Welcome back. Did you have fun? I know I did. And, like I said, pizza is my favorite. Well, just so you know, we would like for you to engage in creating more pizza art. And on Tuesday, Yes, I said Tuesday, not Monday. Tuesday, September 8th, we will be offering tote-and-go services inside the Mesquite Arts Center's front lobby. This is due to the Labor Day holiday. So, be sure to stop by. We refresh the table at 10 a.m. You're more than welcome to come at your leisure. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. So, these items will be available on a first-come, first-served basis. This week, I have refreshed the cardboard art so that you get a little bit more of a variety, and you might see some pizza friends in this selection. I will be taking a small break for the remainder of September, but don't worry, I'm going to leave you in great hands. Next Doodles, you'll see a new face, Joe Cadena, as he teaches you about superheroes and digital basics. And then a special September 24th edition will feature Lilia Estrada, and she will be teaching you all about Frida Kahlo. Both of these instructors are here to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month at the Mesquite Arts Center. This is a new program for us, and we're so excited to be sharing it with you. Don't worry about me, because you'll see me in October. And hopefully, I'll be a little refreshed. Well, I'm super starving, so I'm gonna go and get out of here and eat the pizza. And I'll see you next time. Stay cool.